Hey, okay, I'm just gonna check and see if I am currently live. Yes, perfect. Alrighty. Sounds good. Okay, so, uh, it's later in the day. I'm just kinda still here. I think it's been, yeah, it hasn't been too much time, but I'm just going to, keep working on the game I was working on before for school. So I did end up fixing the entrance of the title. I just put double buffered equal to true. Went and looked on a couple forums online, found that. So now if I hit start, it will just come in like that. And yeah. Okay, also I will be checking live chat periodically. Okay. Oh wait, no, I can just pick up live chat now. Okay, that works. So yeah, we have that. Now, I'm not entirely sure why it's using up so much memory at the start. It's probably because of my class there. We can get rid of some of that actually. Instead of using singles, we're going to use shorts. And shorts go all the way up to a little over 32,000. I do believe it's 32,727, something like that. And it can also go into the negatives that way. And it uses half of the memory that a single does. No, well, a single can go a lot farther, but we don't really need that. I don't think anyone's going to hit over 32,000 HP. Maybe with leveling later on that'll happen, but I don't think we're going to implement leveling just yet. We're going to check the diagnostics. It's still at 44. We'll still around there. We'll see what happens. Okay. So now that we have that, we might want to work on the button. Actually, no, we're going to import. Okay, we're going to start doing some imports here. So first up, I think you can just do imports here. Yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, so here we can just do imports, and we can add a reference to our project right here. Just add reference, and going to browse right here in our debug. That is on the desktop. That is the old one. Our new one is over here, and it should be there. No, it is not there. Okay. Let's see. We have our class. on form 1 project, add reference. That is not what I want. We're going to browse. That is still on my desktop. It's my desktop one, okay. Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, yeah, it's down here. Okay, it's not. It's not there currently. Okay, maybe if we browse assemblies, still on my desktop. Okay, this is request lib. That should be there. Okay. We do need the add reference though, so we're gonna have to find that. Okay. Oh, here we go. It's right there. And now our Claire quest is good. Okay. So we have that for now. And right here, after double buffered. Okay. So we are going to use our graphics lib. So our title form dot icon. Okay, we may need drawing here. My headphones are all over the place. My headphone cord. Okay. System dot drawing. We can see here. Okay. It is the icon. Yeah. Oh, wait. There we go. And okay, gotcha. I know where you have to go from here. Utilisation. Okay. So we have this right here, and we are going to go with graphics as new graphics library. And right here, we'll go player as new player. Okay, so we have that. Then right here, and we can just do the title dot icon. Yeah, so we would have to do me dot icon equals graph. Can we actually use graphics library here? No, okay, so we will need to just use our graphics object and then use icon here. Okay, and then if we go and open that, just going to build that. We do have the sword as our icon, and everything's going good. I might want to make that a little faster. Go with 2 and 67 loops, or 67 iterations, because that is the closest thing around. Okay, so that is in fact faster, should be good. Okay. And while that's happening, we want to bring a couple of buttons in. So we will need more. Actually, I do want to... Little comments. We don't need a drawing here. If we need more imports, we can do that later. Okay. We don't need to add anything to our graphics library just yet. And this seems to be good currently. Actually, I just want to fix that in there real quick. Okay. So this is our init function. And then here, we can do that. There we go. Okay. I do want to heavily comment just so I know exactly what everything is. Oh, give me a minute. I just got a text. Okay, perfect. So, right there. Okay, so that's actually not, okay, wait, we can put this here. But it won't be here, it will be here. Oh. Okay, never mind, it's not letting me undo. We will shorten this just a bit. And then here, you can just change the position of the title. Okay. And right here, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll still write it just in case. Okay, there we go. And then we just refresh the screen right there. Okay, perfect. Right here we just have me dot text, and we just do ClareQuest 2021. There we go. Okay, so that should change the title of the window and the icon. There we go. And then the title moves in faster. Perfect. I may want to move the title up a little, though. So we will try 62 iterations, see how that works. Sorry about the flashing lights. I'm not sure why that does that. Okay. 62 iterations seems pretty good. I might bring that up a little, just if we need a little more space. No, wait. Why did it not have text there? Oh, now it's using more memory. Interesting. Okay. Huh. Well, we can always look into that afterwards. Yeah, for some reason, it's not changing the text. Let's save this, Control R. Oh, never mind, that's normally refresh. Okay, yeah, that should be changing it on startup. Surely odd. Yeah, because if I do that, you can't, you have to call it as me. Can't refer to the form itself by using the name of the form. Okay, we can just set the name of the form in the designer. We'll work around there. There we go. And we're gonna hit start. There we go. Okay. We're going to start working on this. Yeah, we're going to go with a button. And we're going to see how this goes. So, name here. I wonder if this has to be in French. I'm pretty sure it does, so we're just going to do that. If someone wants to translate it, or if someone wants me to translate it, I always can. Just gonna set the right there. Can you make the back of a button transparent? That's my question. It says back color is transparent, but it's not changing. That's interesting to say the least. Changes there, it's just gray like that. If I load it, yeah, no, it's just can't be transparent. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh well. We can get our font. 10. Okay, maybe if we just do this instead. Normal bold. Okay, it's not the best to see unless you have it big. Just go regular. Yeah, it's not the best to see if you have it big, so we're going to find something else. Let's try this. Okay, yeah. We can put this here. I do want it to actually be transparent, though. That's the thing. I'm not sure if you can do that, though. How to change button as transparent in VB.net. Okay. Set the flat style to flat. Okay, let's find the flat style here. There we go. Awesome. So we have that right there. It's looking good. So I feel like that's going to come in from the left. And then this will go here. We're going to have a button that comes in from the right. Okay, and then that is going to be our load game. Okay, how would you translate that? Maybe open. Okay. Yeah. So last save. Do that, why not? And then over here. That is a lot bigger. We're going to try a 10 point. See what we can do here. Okay, we're going to have to try 8 point. Wow, that is taking a decent amount of space there. Okay, I'm not liking that blending. We're gonna have to try something else. Okay, we can just do that. Maybe up the point and then shrink this down. Put that right there. Yeah, so that's going to come in from the left, this is going to come in from the right, and this one is going to come in from the bottom. Now, I'm not sure if I want there to be an order, if these go fast or not. If they do go fast, then there might be some stuttering. Actually, I'm just going to delete this. Copy this, throw that here. Put that right there. Can just do our infos right here. Okay. So we'll do something like this. So we're gonna open it, just see what it looks like. Okay. We're going to shrink this box. There we go. We'll move it right to the middle. Let's remove all of these over this way. Yeah, no. Okay. So if we do move them in one at a time, I'm gonna go like that. There we go. If I do move them in one at a time, then I might only need one variable. If I move them in a lot at a time, I'm gonna need more. Or not a lot, like all at the same time, I'm gonna need more. Okay, the border. I'm not sure if I want the border there. Let's see. I think we may need to keep the little border around them. Yeah. Yeah, okay, we'll need to leave those there. Okay, so we can all do this in the same loop if we really wanted. We'll try it that way. Yeah, okay. So we will have right here. Okay, we need 3 more point variables. How much space does 1 point variable use? Microsoft VB.NET data types. Doesn't look like it's data types Visual Basic. Okay, that just brings me back. Okay. We will have to watch the RAM usage though. So, there we go. Let's do that right there. And we are going to do our coordinates for new game. our load game and our informations. We do need these as points, though. I'm not sure why I forgot to declare that anyway. There we go. Just move this over. Okay, and what did we name that button again? Okay, last save. I did go a little too far on the the editor here. That looks about good to me. Oh, okay. And we just need our informations. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Actually, if we get rid of the player object currently, I wonder how much that is going to save, because we are going to need stuff from the we are going to need stuff from the player class, unless we do it a different way. Variables may be able to travel over forms. I'm going to have to look into that. Okay, so right here, oh god, new game that is on the, so we're going to want to manipulate the x-axis. We're going to change it to 160, 135. There we go. Okay, so our x here, we'll go with, we'll try -80. And our y will always stay at 135. And here we have our one right here. We're going to go 120, 170. And we want its location to be far to the right. We're going to try 240. We're just going to try and see how it all goes. I actually just noticed I made a typo here. Okay, there we go. And we're going to set the x to 240. Its y level is going to stay the same. I think it was 160, 170. Okay. And right here, our x is going to be the same, but our y is going to be further. Okay, we're going to go with 180, 205. So our y, our y is going to go down, our x is going to stay at 180. No, our y is going to go up. Since they're all going different ways, we might have to do this a little choppy. As I make different loops for each of them. Or if I make them go faster. But again, if I make them go faster, it's going to look choppy, that's the thing. If we have stuff going really fast, then it might work. We'll see how it goes and figure it out. We would need it to stop at 205. See, here's the thing. This is only set up for the title to go in the proper position. It's not set up for the others. We'll try it though. So it's at 205. And we're just gonna see, that's my 400. We'll go with 401. Or actually, 402. We'll try that. Okay. So right away, our X level and we're going to do that plus 2. Oh, forgot our X there. Okay. Then we want... Oh. Okay, we want our location to be equal to our point. Right here we can put this at the end, right before our refresh. Okay, it's gonna look a little clumpy, but I will fix it after. This is also the X dot X, and we want -2. Okay, and that will be our location equals the coordinates. And then we're just going to have our info. We need our .y on both because we're bringing the y up. So we're just going to go with +2. And then the info, no, not that. We want this. We get rid of that. Okay, we're just going to see how this works. That is surely interesting. Huh. I wonder what's causing that. Because its starting position, it's starting in 2 spots. Okay. Okay, so we're just going to try this here. And get our info. Forgot the location. Okay, that should... Oh, that made it even worse. Huh. creating doubles. I wonder what's going on. I mean, technically we could just leave them there. Unless we do them one by one faster. Okay, we're just going to reset that. We're gonna see. Okay, we're just gonna try with the information. Oh. The info is the y. Y minus 2. We're just gonna try this. Okay. And then refresh, not recreate handle. Okay. Yeah, no, it's still causing issues there. Oh, actually, it seems to be doing better. I'm gonna try a -3. It is... It seems to me like it would be something here. Okay, we'll try -160. And here we'll you know, that should be fine though. Yeah, no, it's creating copies. Okay, unless we set these to false. And then here we set it visible to true. And here we just set its location to the coordinates before it gets changed. I'm not commenting anything here because we're just testing. Okay. Okay, looking pretty good. Now we just have to try that for the rest. Do while 62. Okay. So we set our loop to 0, or a loop counter to 0. We have our new dot x equals our x plus 3. Then we have the location And then we have our show and our refresh. So we're going to see if that works. Okay. I think I see what I did here. Just going to want to set this to visible. That's equal to true. We're going to okay, so that's not working. Okay, we're going to set the loop counter back to 0 here. And we're going to see what happens. Okay, it's going to need to go further. We could try 4. Okay, we do need it to go a little faster, though. That's the thing. Okay. It's going to have to... It might get a little snappy, though. That's why I'm not sure. Okay, we'll try it again. Okay, 7 is a little too much. We'll try 5. We might be able to just do the loop counter more, but that's... Okay, maybe if it loops a couple more times. Because it's going by 5 pixels every time, and we don't want it to look too snappy, but we also want it to at least go like somewhat fast. Okay, maybe one less iteration. Thing is, it just kind of pops into existence there. If only there was a way to make this go faster. I'm gonna Google it. I'm checking on my phone. Because it can really only refresh so fast. Unless we go so fast that it looks like a blur. Because 160 I don't think is enough. We'll try negative 240. And we'll try plus 8. Really just trial and error until you get it right. Too far. The informations button, that looks good though. Okay, we'll try +7. It still pops into existence, that's my issue. Okay, we're gonna have to go with 6, maybe. Iterate it to 68. Minus 300. I'm really not doing any calculations here. Trial and error seems like the easiest way to go. My only issue is that it still looks choppy because of the outline. Actually, I think I just found something online. Never mind. um, hmm. Yeah, we want the flat style, flat appearance. Okay. I'm gonna try something here. We want this. Flat appearance. Wait, no. Not the width. Yeah, I'm looking through forums right here. Flat appearance, border size, 0. We'll try that. No, it still has a border, and it's still actually pretty choppy. Okay. Let's see. Hmm. Okay, yeah, I'm looking through them. Remove selection. Oh, fine. Yeah. So we do need to perhaps iterate more. I don't want to I don't want to make it too choppy, that's the thing. Maybe if we try a negative value here. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Okay. Border color. Equals color dot transparent. Try that. Does not support setting the border color to transparent. Darn. Okay, unless we set it to something with a low alpha value. Because then they wouldn't be able to see it. So from ARGB, and we're going to set, okay, just 255. Hmm. Okay, we'll try base color is color. Okay, we're just gonna go with blue, see what happens. Or maybe... Okay. We're gonna see if this works. No. Zero. Nope, still has the border, darn. Because I don't want it to be choppy. And the border seems like it's making it decently choppy. We could maybe try a label. We don't necessarily need a button. Okay, I'm gonna open my desktop. Open this one here. Since this is just a test form, I don't really have to redo everything. I'm 99% sure labels can have click events. So we'll reset the scaling. Okay. There we go. Oh, it is flashing a lot. Okay, anyway, we have this. We're going to set the back color to transparent. Yeah, label one dot click, or underscore click. Okay, label one dot click. We want... Okay, we're just gonna do click label one dot text equals you clicked me. Okay. Just as a little test here. It did in fact work. It says you clicked me. Now we just want to make sure that it has a hover. So if we can copy this, label 1 mouse hover, mouse hover, there we go. Label 1 dot back color equals color dot Alice blue, sure. Okay. We have 0, hover over it. Oh, you clicked me. Now we do want the no longer hovering though, that's the thing. I'm not exactly sure what this one is called. Oh, is it just mouse leave? And we're going to do color.transparent. Okay, it looks like it had kind of a stroke. Okay, looking pretty good. Yeah, we might not even use buttons at that point. Just get rid of the border. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to open a notepad and M42 flight font 12 points, and that's all I really needed, yeah. Okay, so we can just get rid of these, get rid of these, get rid of these. And yeah, I'll fix that though, don't worry. Nope. Okay, we want our label. Want to name this new game. M42, 12 points. New game. Put it here for now. We want the background color to be transparent. Okay, that works. Grab a new label. So that's going to be from our last save. I wanted this to have a smaller name. Okay, we're just going to name it last session then. Then we have a new one named information. Oh. Okay. It's going to be default. There we go. And we're just going to replace the word CMD with the LBL. So just spam that. Okay, I forgot an A there. And we can just get rid of that. Everything looking good. Then we're just going to put a, right now we're just going to put a mouse hover and mouse leave. Okay. And right here we're going to put our mouse hover. So that handles mouse hover, this handles mouse leave. Open this up. And we want the back color, color dot, go with Alice Blue. The color equals just transparent. We do actually want a click function. Click. And it handles mouse click. And we're going to set the text to, you clicked me just to try it. Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh, what did it do? Oh god. Okay. Need to switch the... This does, in fact... 262. Okay, I'm not sure it's going to let me change that. It is not going to let me change that. Unless we do it, like, extremely quickly. Okay, we're going to go with plus 10. We're actually going to use math here. This location, we're going to go with 180, 140. And it is going to be negative 300. So we need to go 16 times, I believe. Right here, we'll just set the visible to false. Okay, we're making some progress. That comes down. Oh, we do actually need to make it go more. Okay, we're gonna try 20. We want to make it go fast enough so that it doesn't look like it's lagging. Still looks like it's lagging, damn. Here's the thing, I don't want it to just, like, snap into place. Well, at least we have that. That's good. Okay, we could do 30. I still want it to look nice, that's the thing. Like that looks good. You can see it it actually, It's like right at the perfect spot too. That's a shame. Because it has to move through it. So we're going to set auto size to false. And the size goes to 20. 18. Okay, we're going to try it again now. Because you don't have the bottom thing going. But it still passes through that. The slower it goes, the better it looks. But we want it to go slow and fast. Okay. We're going to try +3. For loop equals 0 to 1. And going to do that. And now it should do twice in one loop. I don't think it's going to even make it onto the screen, actually. It does actually look a little better if we put a refresh in here. This is actually kind of like really tedious. Crap. Okay, the refresh doesn't seem to be doing anything for us. We're gonna go 0 to 2, so it'll do it twice. So it will technically go 9 every refresh. That actually looks kinda better. Go try 0 to 4. Okay, yeah, that does look way better, actually. Going to go with 20 iterations. Okay, I like the way that looks. We're going to bring in more iterations. We're going to try 26. Set this to visible equals false. Right here, we just put that here, but it doesn't really matter currently because our code is handling that. It's already handling where everything needs to be. We just kind of have to eyeball that. Ooh, that is beautiful. That's actually quite beautiful. Okay. We need to move it over just a tad, though. So after that, we could just do x equals. This is not very efficient, actually. We'll try that. And we'll try one less iteration. I don't want to have to add a ton of lines of code. Oh god, okay. We're gonna need a decent amount less iterations. We'll try 22. 19. We'll try 19. Okay. I think 20 may be our sweet spot. No, it is not. 21, perhaps? This is definitely looking better, though. Ah, just over 2, that's the thing. Damn. Unless we move this just like a little to the right. And we might be able to get off scot-free with that. Because I'm kind of using the title to base where this goes. That looks around the... It looks around the same. That actually looks pretty decent, yeah. I'd say so. Yeah, it's pretty decent. Awesome. Now, I might actually be able to put icons there sooner, but we'll figure that out when we get to it. So that is at false. Now that we know that this works... Okay, let's see, that's 170. That is going to come up. That is at... Okay, that's going to come back. So that's going to come backwards. It's 600 there. So we will go with 601, and then we're going to go back to the trial and errors. Okay. Okay. So we have that done. Okay. So we just have that. Okay, and then right here. Awesome. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so we will actually need to start commenting. I'll get rid of these lines real quick. Okay. Inicia. So we reinitialize the loop counter. And we have that right here. So we have the changing of the y value. We have that there. And we can move this up because we want to use the least amount of lines of code possible. And we can okay, what do I want to write here? Okay, so we have that. So it becomes visible right here. Okay, looking good to me. Then right here. So we just have a for loop to make the transition prettier. So it's more of an adequate transition. Then right here. And I'm going to actually snag this from here and put that there. There we go. Okay. So I did change it there, so I don't think I need to change it here anymore. We'll see. See how this goes so far. And then we just have to bring this in through there. So that is for the info button. So we can just snag that, throw that right there. And we have this. We just take our informations. We can snag the text here. Snag this. And then we just take this thing with it. I am going to move these stuff around. This goes here. And you, my friend, go down here. This, oh, wrong button. You just set this over here. There we go. Okay. And then we just snag that right there. Awesome. And take our comment there. There we go. Okay. So we might be able to actually try 59. Just to make it go a little faster. We don't want people to wait every time they open the game. Too far still. We'll try 56. I am going to put a... So I'm going to put the load game right in the middle of the two. We could use that as a guide. So we'll put 53 for now. And then we'll do this. Oh. Not what I wanted. Also not what I wanted. Want it right there. slap that right there. And we want our, nope. So we are going to go with the good old 63. We're going to set this up. So we can just grab this right here. The only difference is that we will need negative x instead of negative y. I don't know why my mouse looks like that. It's definitely a little strange. There we go. Okay. And then we want this to be our open. Okay. Okay, I will be reformatting these things though. Just do that right there, do that right there, and do that right there. Okay. Okay. We'll try that now. I probably will need a for loop there. Okay. Gonna put the loop equals 0 right here. And we're going to snag this right here. Put it right there. Okay, and then we have this. And we will want that minus x. Okay. We'll try -2 for now. We'll see how far that gets. I do feel like it's gonna go, like, way past. I was right. And that's still going too high. Okay, that's fine though. We can fix that. We're going to try 52. And here we will just try 50. Okay. Trial and error, people, trial and error. This coming in, this coming second. Still going too far. That looking good. We'll set the y coordinate to just a little bit farther. Or not, no, not the y, the x. The x, try 185. And then we want this. We will try 0 to 3. Okay, so we have Claire request that's coming in. New game. Last session still going far. And information. Okay, we'll try 183 up here. Or, yeah, 182. That's good. 0 to 3, we'll try 48. everything else is looking good. This is shaping up nice. Okay. Making progress. That looks around the same too. Okay. We'll try 0 to 2. See if that's just an easy fix. You're not always going to find an easy fix, but if you can find an easy fix, then that's awesome. Okay, actually, it's looking pretty good. We'll set this to 45. Getting texts from multiple different people at the same time. That is odd. Okay, I am gonna need to go though. It is getting quite close to dinner. We're just going to finish this up. Oh my god. That looks near perfect right there. That is beautiful. Okay, so we have the title screen UI nearly complete. We just need to put in a couple events, and it is looking really good actually. I think this is going to be good. So yeah, that's going to be it for this live stream actually, and